Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to see how to withdraw money from the Cryptomania app. So if you haven't subscribed yet guys, I would recommend you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Okay guys, so if you already have downloaded the Cryptomania app, I suggest you are already used to the app's interface. So the first things first that I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Cryptomania app. Okay, as I was saying earlier, if you are used to this Cryptomania app, you obviously know how the app got to work. So if you don't actually know what this app is all about, I've made a video in my previous tutorial on how to use this Cryptomania app. It practically explains everything, explain all the features that you can find within this Cryptomania app. Okay guys, so to start with our tutorial today, I would like to emphasize on something about this app. Cryptomania is a crypto simulator. It is not actually a real trading app but a simulator. The simulator is anything that seems something in the virtual world for you to actually giving you an experience that you obviously have that you can actually have in the real world. So this Cryptomania app, as you all know, is something that is an app that gives you some free balance based on the way you view the art that they offer. So this app is all about simulating what you can view within the real world. So as every trader, I believe you have obviously placed a trade. And just navigate to my trade tab. As shown in my previous video, I actually placed these two trades. So you can see how the trades are progressing as they increasing, and the amount, in fact the money you got before placing this trade, is actually what Cryptomania offers to you. So it offers you money in different ways, through dividends and also the daily rewards. You can also get some bonus with it for your sign up right here. So coming to withdrawing money from this Cryptomania app, since this money is actually free money that the app offers to us, think of it, they can't give this as a payout. They can't give the amount you earn from your trading as a payout. It is going to be way too much. Like, you can think of it like sending them into bankruptcy and closing up. So this app is just a simulator, as earlier said, and it lets you simulate each trade in order to give you more experience when you want to trade in the real world. So if you want to get started with trading, this is a best way to trade with it. But to emphasize on this again, you cannot withdraw money from Cryptomania app. Some of you might think the app is more like a scam, but that's not actually it. It just simulates the trading in a virtual world and preparing you for the next trading you can actually have in the real world. So there's nothing with this app that is actually a scam, because you don't have to invest your real money within it. But if you decide, you can purchase some free stuff, or you can purchase some virtual money from the shop that's provided within the app. Cryptomania does not allow you to withdraw money. Besides, there's no withdraw tab, or if there was any in the previous version, they've had to remove it, because this app is just a simulator. It is more like a game where you get paid some coins, where you actually earn coins for completing mysteries or stuffs like that. So guys, I hope you've understood this point. So if you're looking to withdraw money from Cryptomania, maybe you might be disappointed, but on the other side, you should just put in your mind that this Cryptomania app is more like teaching you how to trade, nothing more and nothing less, giving you all the tools and assets you need to get started with trading. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you find any other source saying otherwise, that it actually provides services for withdrawing money from Cryptomania, then that is more like a scam. Don't dive into such attempts, because you might end up being a victim at the end. So guys, I thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, just hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done yet. Share with your friends and also give it a thumbs up. So guys, we'll see you in the next one.